so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my.
Hey guys, it's your girl the Makeup Plug, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can see, I got some crabs with me, and I have some more in this little bowl to reheat. But yes, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for this video. Okay guys, so I just took my thumbnail and everything, and now it's crab juice like everywhere. I got water on deck. And yes, I really don't know what to talk about. So I'm just gonna wing it. It's gonna be everywhere. I know I look sleepy because I just woke up. But yes, I was craving crabs. I know, that's a problem. And oh my God, I know I'm not the only one. I really did want to try that Be Love sauce with these crabs. But it sold out so quick. Like, nah. Hopefully, when the next time it does come, it has like plenty in inventory. Because at this moment, I'm like, this is the second time it sold out. I'm thinking like in 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Because I remember she posted it on Instagram. But yes, I like taking the legs off and saving them for later. That's what I like doing. And I got these crabs from Crab Crib in Baltimore, Maryland. On Johnny Cake Road. And these are some big boys. And they do have a little spice to them. No lie. They have a kick to them. Ooh. Sorry. I forgot I needed somewhere to throw all everything. So I'm just throw it in this little bag right here. Well, this box. Ooh. I'm so ready to go on vacation. It's not even funny. Since, I don't know if it's just because Mercury retrograde or what, but I feel like my head has been all over the place, honestly. I feel like my head, my anxiety, everything. I feel like I've been like really restless lately. I don't know. I've been all over the place since Mercury retrograde has started. This year, I don't know. Since Mercury retrograde has started, it's been, it hasn't been bad to me, but I just ain't been myself. I'm a Virgo, so I've been all over the place, okay? If you understand Virgos, you know I have not been in my right mind. Seriously. And these crabs are really good, no lie. Ooh. But yeah, how are you guys doing through this Mercury retrograde? Comment down below your zodiac sign and tell me how it's been treating you, because I forgot whose YouTube I looked on. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below just in case, and I will link the video too. When she was on like Virgo, she was like, oh, Mercury retrograde, it's gonna be okay for you guys, but you're gonna have to be patient and not use like your phone or hands a lot. I'm like, girl, I'm a makeup artist. I have to use my hands. But no lie, Mercury retrograde has been taking over my phone. Like, even before this video, my phone didn't want to turn on. Once I was like, crap, I just breathed for a second. I didn't get mad. I was like, woosah, it's gonna be okay. And then probably, it was like 10 minutes later, my phone come back on. You know, it's so crazy. Because at first I was like, crap, my phone's broken. This is a whole new phone. It wasn't like, this is an old phone. This is a completely brand new phone. And it has been acting crazy. It has been acting slow. It's fully updated. I have plenty of iCloud storage and everything. Y'all. I really believe that Mercury retrograde teaches you patience. Because you have to learn a lot from this time. Seriously. Especially because daylight savings, the time went back. So, yeah. This time of the year, it teaches you patience. Seriously. You just got to go with the flow. But also, think positivity. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. I'm really in. I'm trying to talk too, but yeah. Oh my gosh. I completely forgot to record an intro, so I had to do that really, really quick. I don't know how I forgot that. I think I was focused on the food for real. Yeah. 2019 is coming to an end. Can you guys believe that 2020 is 2 months away? No, a month away. It's November. 2020 is a month away. Because the only thing else we have is December. Can you guys honestly believe that? Like, this year has flown by so fast. And I put a post up on Instagram. It was like, this year has gone by so fast. Imagine how your life will fly by fast. Like, seriously. When you're like careless about your life and stuff like that, it flies by so fast. Like, I feel like it was just like Valentine's Day. Like, it was. This is my favorite part of that crab. This is where all the meat is. I love it. Oh my god. My husband is staring at me laughing. Yeah. But yes, this year has flown by so fast. I feel like it was just January, y'all. I know I cannot be the only one that think that. Like, this year has gone by so fast. I'm like, dang. This year was good to me. This year was amazing to me. So I know that next year is going to be amazing as well. I'm claim it. I'm going to speak it. I'm going to speak it into the universe. I know it's going to be amazing. No matter what. I'm doing good on my YouTube. I've been consistent. The views are seriously rolling in. And I'm happy about that. Seriously. One thing I always say. Because at first, I wouldn't say I was discouraged. I knew it was going to be hard, but I wasn't consistent. Because that's one thing. I wasn't like, oh, I can make it overnight. No. One thing I definitely did have to do is continue to post. And that's what I do now. Because at first, I don't think I had the time. Or maybe, well, I didn't have the time. But I wasn't prioritizing it correctly in my life. Because at first, what I started doing 2 months ago was just uploading twice a week. And now I upload every other day. Because I prioritize it into my calendar to do that. And yes. But yes, I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers by at least April. I'm close, so I know it's coming. And I say April, I might get it closer before then, but that's just my leverage. This is so good. It's not as spicy because I put a little water on it while I put it in the microwave. Yes. Yo, I am going in. Do y'all hear me? That's my towel back there just in case I need to wipe my hands on my face. but I'm doing pretty good. I don't know how people can wear makeup and do this. Like, I don't know. I don't even know how I got this hair in my face. Because crabs are messy alone. Yes, because, honey, I commend y'all. Especially when y'all be wearing, like, liquid lipstick and stuff. Y'all need to tell me which ones y'all be wearing, because y'all liquid lipstick stay on through y'all whole mukbang. Is it mukbang or mukbang? Y'all liquid lipstick literally stays on the whole time. And it's crazy to me. I be like, how? I be like, y'all need to write down in your description box what lipstick, what makeup, everything. Because it is waterproof. And now I am so ready for my vacation that's coming up. 9 more days, y'all. 9 more days. Y'all do not understand how happy I am. I am going on a Carnival cruise. I actually like their line, but this one is a different one. We're going to the Bahamas, and I forgot the other 2 stops, but we're going for 2 days. So yes, your girl is happy about that. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I did not mean to burp. Ooh. Ooh, I might have been eating too fast. So I'm getting hiccups now. Look. These are nice size claws. Ooh. But now I'm so ready. And of course, I'm going to vlog my vacation. And I'm going to do a lookbook. Well, I'm going to do like a clothing haul. To show y'all all my vacation looks. But I'm excited. Yeah, I'm gonna save this because I'm gonna break it with my mallet. What's the next one? What's the next one, sweetie? I try not to overcook them when I reheated them, but they did good. Cause that's the worst when you overcook a crab. I got it on my face. Ooh. And no, I don't like butter or nothing with my crabs. I don't know. The taste, it don't taste right to me. It's all, I don't know. Maybe I don't like it because it's not like a real sauce or something. So that's why I like real sauces. Well, that's why I said the next time I'm buying the Be Love sauce, she's gonna have to give me 24 hours in advance or something, because honey, I cannot. Every single time she launches it, it sells out so quick. Oh, looks so good. Has anybody tried the Be Love sauce yet? Comment down below and let me know what you really think. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Was it just your ingredients you were using? Let me know. Because I'm seriously dying just to get it. I'm sorry I stopped talking, y'all. I really have been interested in doing like a vision board party or like a get-together or something like with female entrepreneurs and stuff like that, because I know how hard it is to be a small business or even a small makeup artist. Because I do have great clientele. I do, even though compared to some, compared to some, I do not have a lot, but I don't look at the followers. I look at how much money I make personally. And I've really been interested in doing like a female entrepreneur get together. I feel like it would be amazing. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna do like a vision board party in December. Or something like on that aspect, you know? Because that'll be a great way for entrepreneurs to mingle and get together and stuff like that. Because I feel like these are the days that we got to support each other, especially small YouTubers and stuff like that. Like, because all we got is us. And if you don't support anybody, you will never have anybody. It don't matter. Because it'd be that one social media friend that always cheers you on, always reposts your stuff, everything. Because I'm like, they will help you out more than like your relatives or your family will help you out, seriously. Ooh. My plans for next year, I don't know. I don't want to say too much because I don't want anybody to spoil it or nothing like that. Because you never know who's watching you, seriously, good or bad. You never know who's watching you, and I don't know nobody's intentions. So I'm not going to say too much. But one thing is, I definitely want to hit 1,000 subscribers by next year. I'm super close. I'm super duper close. Know that it's coming soon. It is a great milestone. Because one thing is, I always support small channels that support me. Especially because they'll be like, oh, sub for sub. Of course, subscribing costs you nothing. So why wouldn't I do it? It's coming soon. It is a great milestone. Because one thing is, I always support small channels that support me. Especially because they'll be like, oh, sub for sub. Of course, subscribing costs you nothing. So why wouldn't I do it? But sometimes, only thing you need is that one little shout out. That one little like. And you can change somebody's life, seriously. Just like, crap. I forgot what that girl's YouTube name, and I was just watching her video. She was in, I'll link her name right here in the video. But she was like impersonating mukbangers and stuff like that. And I think the first one she did was Nick Avocado. And instead of getting mad or anything like that, because it was all for jokes and laughs, seriously, he reposted her work, and she went from 500 subscribers to 52K in, I think, a week. Like, come on now. That's all love. But yes, I'm about to finish this off. That is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.